What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I haven't been in front of the camera in a while, but got the LC with me, and we are waiting on one more LC in cadmium orange convertible. Sickest LC build, my favorite one, and that color is beautiful. So I'll show you guys that a little bit later. And we're waiting on Frank with his Fuji Speedway RCF, and we're gonna be cruising up to San Clemente Cars and Coffee because they're not gonna have one, not two, but over 30 Lexus LFAs in attendance. So I'll pick the camera back up when we get back on the road, do a little driving, then when we get to the event. All right, so the lineup's all here. Here I am, Varus kit. Got Frank Fuji Speedway edition. Looking super sick. And my favorite, ooh, with the new carbon hood. Jeez. Damn, look at that. Varus Spirit carbon. Dude, it looks sick. It looks sick, man. Jeez. All right, so the drive is underway. We got the Fuji Speedway over to the left, being escorted by two LC 500s. The other LC is behind me right now. Just looking at it in the mirror, dude. That hood is so aggressive, man. That is the Artisan Spirit carbon fiber hood, and he had the outside painted to match the cadmium orange. So these guys have passengers, so they can take the hover lane. Me, on the other hand, I have to work my way and get back up to them. Looking car, man. Jeez. Right, so we are pulling into San Clemente. The show doesn't start for, I think, another hour, so they won't start letting people in yet. But I think we're just gonna get parked up right now, and then we go inside. Hopefully we get to catch all the LFAs rolling in, but if not, we'll walk over to all of them and get them all on video. Yeah, we got some Fs meeting up. We already got the LFAs poking in behind. I'll take a photo of that in a bit, but let me look at these Fs. Bunch of Fs. Got some IS 500s down here as well. So big Lexus turnout.
Yeah, because when I saw you, I was like, your face is so familiar.
Automatic mode is so horrible. It's like they made it horrible. And it's really
Nice evergreen edition. Evergreen editions. Damn.
ready?
Yeah.
Oh shit, it's a retard.
Dude, those are clean. Yeah. The one DC motor, and it's clean, and the nice drip car.
Yeah, so I was like, that's gonna be kind of cool to.
They share the same body.